Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change screen recording quality on your VIVO X300 Pro. So if you want to record your screen with higher or lower quality, I'll show you how to set it up. So scroll down here, and as you can see here I have a record screen, and if you don't have it yet, you can click the pencil button right here and choose it from this list. So as I already have it, just click and hold it, and here you can see picture quality, and you can change it either to high, low or medium. So basically that's it. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.